My company, QuickMed Technologies, is a biotechnology and life sciences company that develops the back-end technologies that drive the future products for medical devices, for consumer antimicrobials, and for general articles that protect people from the transfer of bacteria and pathogens. The breakthroughs that we've achieved here is to build a wound dressing, which we call our Nimbus technology, that does not rely on leaching an antimicrobial agent into the wound bed, but has the antimicrobial agent bound onto the surface of the wound dressing to protect the wound dressing and the patient together from external pathogens and from internal pathogens. The military asked us to design a very specific dressing for the victims of chemical warfare attacks, specifically chemical weapons such as sulfur mustard. Sulfur mustard is a desiccating agent. That means it forms blisters on your skin. The danger of sulfur mustard is that it is easily weaponizable and relatively easy to produce. So it represents a great risk in the hands of would-be terrorists. This is why it's important to have something that can help people to heal from that type of injury. This type of dressing, however, isn't usable only for a chemical weapon, but applies very generally to thermal burns or chemical burns, as you would see in industrial or in household accidents also. When I was doing research to finish up my PhD, I was working on cancer detection systems. And that was very interesting work, but I had a very, very good professor that gave me a great piece of advice, which was to make a break with research that I was doing then and look in a new direction in order not to trap myself into a field. And my professor that I was working with also gave me an opportunity in this particular company to pursue research, development, and ultimately commercialization of these technologies. The Florida High-Tech Corridor is a fantastic program that emphasizes the collaboration that can occur between companies and universities. We take great advantage of this program because we have terrific partners both at the University of Florida and at the University of Central Florida. The University of Florida, of course, is directly next door to us, and we are able to subcontract some research that could not otherwise be done almost anywhere.